Hey developers! We are facing a challenge. How can we take raw, unstructured YouTube RSS feed data and transform it into a sleek, interactive dashboard in nodeRed? Imagine having a real-time, auto-updating panel showing the latest videos from your favorite channels, all in one place. At first glance, this might seem simple, just fetch the data and display it, right? But as we dive in, we'll encounter some tricky obstacles, and that's where the real fun begins. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step 1. Fetching data. The first step in our journey is pulling in the latest videos from YouTube. For that, we use the HTTP request node, which acts as our data fetcher. This node makes a GET request to YouTube's RSS feed, using the channel's unique ID. This should give us a list of recent videos. But here's the first roadblock. The data isn't structured in a way that's easy to work with. It comes in XML format, which isn't exactly friendly for nodeRed's native JSON-based environment. If we try to use it as is, we'll end up with a tangled mess of unreadable data. Step 2. Converting XML to JSON. To tackle this issue, we bring in the XML parser node, our first major tool in solving this problem. This node acts as a translator, converting the messy XML data into JSON format. Now, instead of struggling with complex tags, we get neatly structured objects that we can easily manipulate. Great! Now we can read the data. But as we move forward, another issue pops up. Step 3. Cleaning and formatting the data. The JSON format is better, but it's still cluttered with unnecessary metadata. We need to extract only the key details: video title, URL, thumbnail, view count, and publication date. This is where our function node steps in. Here's what it does. White heavy checkmark checks if the feed actually contains video entries, so our UI doesn't break when there are no new videos. White heavy checkmark normalizes data, handling both single and multiple video entries. White heavy checkmark extracts the necessary details using optional chaining, to prevent errors. White heavy checkmark formats the publication date to make it more readable. We run the function. And boom! We now have clean, structured video data. But wait, we are still not done. We've got the data, but how do we display it in a way that's visually appealing? Step 4. Building the UI. Enter the UI template node, the heart of our dashboard's front end. Using a mix of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we create a polished, user-friendly interface that looks just like a YouTube feed. Here's how. Heavy checkmark CSS grid makes the layout responsive, so it works on both desktops and mobile devices. Heavy checkmark smooth hover effects and YouTube-inspired color themes enhance the experience. Heavy checkmark WebKit line clamp in CSS ensures descriptions don't overflow, keeping everything tidy. Heavy checkmark JavaScript dynamically updates the UI whenever new data arrives, no lag, no page refreshes. After putting it all together, we did it. We now have a fully functional, auto-updating YouTube video dashboard built inside nodeRed. This setup isn't just for watching videos. Here's where it gets interesting. Bar chart monitor multiple YouTube channels at once. Chart with upward trend track view counts over time to analyze content performance. Bell set up real-time alerts when a video reaches a certain number of views. Enhance it with AI-powered sentiment analysis to gauge audience reactions. And there you have it. We started with a challenge, hit obstacles along the way, and step by step, we solved each one until we had a working, real-world solution. Now it's your turn. Try grabbing the RSS feed of your favorite YouTube channel and build your own custom dashboard. If you hit any snags, use the debug node to inspect the data and handle edge cases. Found this helpful? Hit subscribe for more deep dives into nodeRed, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to build next. Rock it! Happy coding!